So for an organization that's actually got China as a customer and maybe the US as a customer, purely from a business sense, they need to be careful about what servers they hold their data on, and actually even the algorithms that they use for that processing. Yeah.
The algorithms are actually produced by very few countries.
Yeah.
And algorithms, they come with conditions, they come with licenses. The countries that are writing the algorithms, they're also writing the laws, rules, and regulations, how those algorithms should be used. So you're actually using someone else's algorithm, thinking that you can potentially use it for solving some problems that you want to solve in your business, but potentially it still has a backdoor.
But there is an alternative here. You see, in principle, all I need to do to develop algorithms is a computer. So my dependency on algorithms from one geopolitical tech stack versus another geopolitical tech stack is mitigated, isn't it? Because I can hire a whole number of people, say, okay, I want you to develop an algorithm that does facial recognition or security analysis or cybersecurity, so on and so forth. And I see an opportunity for emerging markets to do this leapfrog. Then the question arises, back to the chip discussion, is do you have access to the powerful chips that are required to do the necessary processing?
I think this is a dilemma for most countries and for most organizations, because even if you have access to an algorithm, open source, and you can improve that algorithm, but the algorithm is not going to be much use unless you have chips. But if your GPUs and TPUs, they're being produced by a handful of companies that belong to a certain country, then that algorithm, will not be able to fulfill its function or give you that competitive edge. Now, what you can do, like you said, you can mitigate, and you can have algorithms probably from, let's say, LLM from France, from America, from China, but still there's the same underlying problem.